You just recharge it with the USB-C port. Pulls out just like that. That inflates it. And then if we twist it the other way, that sucks out the air so you can pack it. On the bottom of the mattress, it has extra cloth protection from the punctures. You can always remove the pump to recharge it while the mattress is inflated and it's not going to put out any air. You can manually deflate it right here or inflate it with a different pump if you need to, using this nozzle right here. Comes with these two pillows. The mattress is very soft, comfortable, has nice velvety material here to prevent your pillows and blankets from sliding off. A perfect mattress for the back of the truck, for stargazing, for enjoying the outdoors, watching the sunset, sunrises, or of course, just having a great night's sleep in the back of your truck.